Welcome to Antalya, sun, sea, and history all in one incredible place. Located on Turkey's stunning turquoise Mediterranean coast, Antalya is a vibrant city that perfectly blends ancient ruins, bustling old-world streets, and long, beautiful beaches. It's a destination that truly has something for everyone. Your adventure should start in Kaleiçi, the historic old town. Getting lost in its narrow, winding alleys and exploring the charming marina is the perfect way to spend a morning. As you wander, don't miss Hadrian's Gate. This magnificent Roman-era arch stands as a grand entrance, marking the very heart of the city's ancient past. Next, escape the city buzz and visit the famous Düden Waterfalls. There are two parts to this natural wonder. First, experience the cool, refreshing spray of the upper falls, set within a peaceful park. Then, prepare to be amazed by the dramatic lower falls, which tumble directly off the city cliffs and crash into the Mediterranean Sea below. It's a breathtaking sight you won't forget. When it's time to hit the beach, Konyaaltı Beach stretches for miles along Antalya's western shore. With its pebble sands, crystal-clear water, and a lively promenade filled with cafes and activities, it's easily one of the best city beaches you'll find. If you head east, you'll discover Lara Beach, known for its long, sandy stretches and a fantastic selection of luxury resorts. It's the perfect spot for sunbathing, relaxation, and family-friendly stays. Just a short drive from the city is Aspendos, home to one of the world's best-preserved Roman theaters. It's an architectural marvel, so well-maintained that it's still used for performances during the summer. History lovers should also make time to visit the expansive ruins of Perge. Walking down its long colonnaded street feels like stepping back in time. Afterwards, head to the Antalya Museum to see the incredible collection of statues, mosaics, and artifacts gathered from all across the region. For a different perspective of the city, a boat tour along the coast is an absolute must. It's an easy and relaxing way to see the dramatic cliffs, discover hidden coves, and take a refreshing swim in the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean. And of course, you have to taste Antalya. Be sure to try freshly grilled kebabs, savory gosling, which is a delicious Turkish flatbread, and enjoy some incredible local seafood at a restaurant right by the marina. Now for a few practical tips to make your trip smooth. The best time to visit is from April to June or September to October, when the weather is warm and the crowds are smaller. Getting around is easy with city trams, buses, and taxis. For day trips, renting a car is a great option. The currency is the Turkish lira. While many places accept credit cards, it's always a good idea to keep some cash handy for small shops and local markets. If you have extra time, consider some amazing day trips from Antalya. Explore the mountaintop ruins of Termissos, visit the ancient coastal city of Olympos, or witness the eternal flames that burn from the rocks at Chimera. If you enjoyed this guide to Antalya, subscribe for more city guides and travel inspiration. Safe travels!